just want to talk a little bit more about the song. It's a sad song. A little piece of music here. There it is, right here. It's a sad song because of lyrics, because of my life in general, though I'm happy now. But a couple of things, that you can do to get sadness into your music, if that's what you're after. I'm more of a happy guy, but if sadness is what you're after, G minor. When you take that G minor and you kind of move it down to a D minor, see? It's like a D minor, not in root position, but it's just so sad. And another thing too, this is good for anybody writing a score to a sad movie or something. Eric Satie, you probably know this, Blood, Sweat, and Tears even made this popular. This is going to be using the Lydian Mode. So just play it a little bit. Right there. See, that's a G with that Lydian note. It's like a G major scale, except you put that in there. So what do we got? We got the G and the D. So I'll just make up something now. And that just made me think, is it like Moon River? Yeah, right here. Anyway, thought that was interesting. Anything else I could say about the song? Oh, in the sheet music, those little 2/5s, when you see the numbers 2/5, that's like a 2/5/1 going to whatever chord comes after it. So. And I haven't really worked out anything good for that. Something like that would be better than what I played. Wrong note. And, the singers take such liberty with the melody at this location. So, you could do a lot of things there. Right there it says 2/5, but I don't know how you get it in there. Or maybe like something like that. So like you play the B flat major, B flat 6, then the 2 would be an A minor 7 flat 5. We're going to a minor chord, so I'm taking it for granted that you intelligent people know that you would set that up most likely with a minor 7 flat 5 as the 2 chord, and then the 5 chord would be altered. And I got those riffs, they're kind of copying the melody of the song, but the Tony Bennett arrangement live, that's where I got it. Okay, there you go. I'm done with this song. I'm putting it in my permanent repertoire, though, because I really like the song a lot. And talk to you guys again real soon. What am I going to do next? I'm going to go play up in the studio on Cordy. The keys will light up. I'm going to help a friend out with Wichita Lineman. I've done it before, but I'm going to do it with the blue keys. All right, guys. Thank you very much.